Hey there, CJ Math students. So tonight I'm going to help you out with homework 3.12, discounts in Best Buy. I think here on yours it says proportions and ratios. That was a typo by me. But as we learned, a discount is just simply a reduction in the price. So for all these problems with discounts, we're just going to basically be asking us, all right, so instead of paying 100% of the price, how much are we going to actually pay, just like we did in class today. So for number one, we figure out what the discount is. So it's 20%. So instead of paying 100% of the price, we're going to end up paying 80% of the price. And then we just take the 750 and multiply it by 0.80. Realize that you have 4 decimals, 2 here, 2 here. So you're going to swoop 4 times in the end. So the first row gives me nothing but zeros. I lay my egg. I get a 0 here. I get 40 here. I carry my 4. I get 56 plus 4 is 60. So 60 is not my, 60 is not my answer. It is when I add it all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and I have to swoop 4 times. 2 here, right? 2 here. So I'm going to swoop 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You may use Google Calculator to check your work tonight, but I must see this work for every problem. Let me say that again. You may use Google Calculator just to do 7.5, times 0.80 and see what you get, but then I must see this work here to check your answer. Okay. Question 3. The discount's 50%, so I know that I'll be paying 100 minus 50, which is 50% of the price. So basically, I'm just asking what's half of 34. I can do this the algorithm way, or I can do this mentally. Basically, just saying what's half of 34, or 34 divided by 2, right? 34 divided by 2 gives me 17, right? So when you have something like this, you can do it the algorithm way if you would like to. The mental math way as well. So 100 on number 5, 100 minus 35 gives us 65%. So I'm going to take 65% of this, so 100 times 0.65. And you probably should swoop it all the way to the end here, 65. So the first row gives me nothing but zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. So 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lay an egg, and we have 0, 0, 0, 0, and 6. So 4 zeros and 6. We add it up, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 6. I have 4 decimal places. So swoop 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $65. It makes sense, right? All of our money should always be less than the original price. If we're taking a discount, 65 is 65% of 100. Very straightforward. All right, number 1, in the department store, a $40 dress is marked save 25%. What is the discount and what is the sale price of the dress? So these ones are a little bit trickier. They ask you for the amount of the discount and then the amount of the sale. So how do I find the amount of the discount? So the amount of discount is simply found by doing the price times, so 40 is simply found by doing the price 40 times the discount, which is times 0.25. All right, so 25% of 40. So when I do this multiplication, I end up with my first row of being 200. I lay an egg. My second row is going to be 800. When I add those up, I should get 10.00. And so this is the discount is equal to $10. So if the discount is $10, then what's my price? My final price is just going to be 40, my original price, minus the discount, minus 10, right? So my final price I have to pay is $30. Right? Number 3, in a candy store, a $5 candy jar is labeled 50% off. What is the discount? What is the sale price? So the discount is simply the original price of $5, 5.00 times the discount, times 0.50. All right, so we have 0, 0, 0, lay an egg, 0, 0, 5, add it up, 0, 0, 0, 5, 2. 2 decimal places in each, so 4 total. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do I get? I get 2.5 or $2.50 is the discount. And so if the discount is 50, I take the original price for final price, which was $5. I'm going to take $5 minus $2.50, and I'll get my actual price, which is $2.50. And that makes sense. If something is half off, I'm just going to take half of 5, and it's going to be $2.50 remaining. All right, on the back side, you may use your Google Calculator. We're doing better buy. So I'm going to be doing like 1 and 1, and then you'll do 2 and 2. I'll do 3 and 3, and then you do 4 and 4. All right, so for here, Bargains R Us store offers a 12-roll package of Wipey Wonder toilet paper for $2.59. The 6-roll is $1.25, which is the best buy. So they want dollars per roll here. So what are we going to divide for the 12-roll? We're going to do $2.59 over 12. For the 6-roll, we're going to do $1.25 over 6. Right? So when I use Google Calculator, $2.59 divided by 12, I get about 0.2158, so we can say about 0.22, 22 cents per roll. And then for the 6th roll, 125 divided by 6, I get 0.280, so about 21 cents. So the better buy is the 6-roll package, okay? All right, so then we'll do the same thing for Walmart. Walmart sells 24 cans of Diet Coke for $6.88. Kroger sells a 12-pack of Diet Coke for $3.99. So for Walmart, we'll say the Walmart versus the Kroger. And then for Walmart, we're going to say $6.88 divided by 24. See what that equals. And for Kroger, we're going to say, hey, $3.99 divided by 12. And see what that equals. So $6.88 divided by 24 gives you 0.28666 repeated. So it's about 0.29 cents. Say cents or dollars per can. And $3.99 divided by 12 gives you 0.33. 0.33. We'll call that dollars again per can. So what's the better buy? The better buy is always the cheaper one. So Walmart is the better buy. Right? So on all these, they want the dollar per unit. So we're always going to be doing the dollar cost divided by the amount of units they give us. So I'm going to leave 2 on this one and 2 on this one. Your work should look exactly like 1, but they're just different numbers, okay? For number 3, a 16-ounce can of creamy corn sells for $1.09, while a 32-ounce can's for $1.89. How much would you save with the sale price? So basic unit rate comparison divided by dollar amount. So here we go. So 109 divided by 16, and then 189 divided by 32. So we have 109 divided by 16, which is about 0.068, so about 0.07 cents per ounce for the 16 ounce, and then 189 divided by 32, which is about 0.059, which is about 0.06. So the better buy is obviously the 32-ounce can. And then how much would I save? I'm going to save, what's 7 minus 6, right? 7 minus 6, or 0.07 minus 0.06. And I'm going to save about how much per ounce? I'm going to save about a penny per ounce, okay? All right, again, how did I get that? I just took this minus this and said, okay, if I really buy this, how much am I saving? About a penny per ounce. So an 11-pound turkey versus the 16-pound turkey, right? LB stands for pound. So $15 divided by 11 versus $20 divided by 16. So what do we have here? We have 15 divided by 11 gives us about $1.36 per pound, $1.36 per LB. And then 20 divided by 16 gives you $1.25 per LB. So how much do I save? So this is the 16-pound turkey is the better buy. And then how much do I save? I save 136 minus 125 per pound. So $1.36 minus 125 gives you 11 cents. You save 11 cents per LB. Okay. Again, number 4 is exactly like number 3. Your work should look exactly like my work. All right. Good luck. Call me if you have questions. And I'm going to write this down. You need to write this down too. Show all work. So even if you're using Google Calculator, that's fine. You need to show the division just like I have. Back on the front, you can use Google Calculator to check your multiplication and everything, but you have to show the work just like I have.